So guys, as you can see, I pulled everything out of the bathroom and I have a mess. I was starting to clean the bathtub and I got to noticing that there was water in the floor and we have a water leak underneath the tub. So I went ahead and took the bottom of the board off. Oh my gosh. And as you can see in mobile homes, if you can see that, they do not plug up hose. So you got critters that get underneath the bathtub and make a disaster of a mess. So I got the majority of it up and I'm trying to get the scrub brush, the water, the bleach, and I'm going to come in here and try to clean this up a little bit. I'm going to have to jerk up this linoleum. I mean, I just really hate to do it, but I got to get this floor dry. I did have the fan going to try to help it out, but if it's not one thing, it's another, and I am just absolutely beyond aggravated. I mean, it is just crazy. I don't know what to do. But the bathtub did get clean, and of course I'm spraying out the toilet brush and the plunger and everything else, and just going to try to get some of this done. I hope you all can hear me, because evidently in the last closet video, as I call it, the closet video, because that is the only place I got that I can talk without being disturbed, is in the closet. So hopefully soon everything will be back to normal. I think it's where I've dropped my phone so many times that the microphone is either busted or the speaker's busted or something's not going right. But yeah, this is mobile home. Don't buy a mobile home. Buy a house. I mean, mobile homes are good if they're built right, and mine is like a 97, so I guess it's time for it to decide to blow a gasket or something. I don't know, but we got to redo the whole thing. I know, can't afford it right now, but if I can just get the water to stop leaking and get the floor dried out, then once, you know, I start getting money in again, maybe I can remodel the bathroom. So guys, just hang with me and I'll pick you up in a little bit. Okay guys, so I had to take my glove off, but I got this one on. I had to take my other glove off to get the phone recording. So what I'm going to do now is, I did wipe it down with bleach water and stuff, but I'm going to spray it with bleach cleaner, the wood and everything, because I do believe that is mold. See, it's like how it's discolored the linoleum underneath. So I know it's wet, and I'm hoping it's plywood and not particle board. If y'all know anything about mobile homes, it's probably particle board. But I'm going to spray it and let it all sit. And then I'm going to come back and clean the corners. Woo, buddy, bleach. I'm afraid of mold, and if anybody knows anything about black mold, you know that black mold is bad. And you can tell that it's been leaking for a while. But hopefully the bleach cleaner will kill it out. And if you're worried about the plug-in down there, don't worry. It's I kicked the breaker to it. It's on its own. It was for the jacuzzi, but the motor blowed, so yeah. So it's okay if it gets wet. It's not going to arc or cause a fire. Remember, I was on the fire department for a long time. But I am going to spray this down, though, because I'm not having nothing to do with no mold. So hopefully, that'll work for a little bit. I'm going to see if my husband don't have any white caulk out in the garage, and if he does, I'm going to recaulk the bathtub, because I believe that's where it's all coming from, is that corner over there. I did check the drain lines. The drain lines are good, and the shower, it's not leaking or anything. I believe it's just where water had got behind the bathtub. Of course, y'all can see that needs to be redone. It's broke and cracked. I believe that's where the water's getting behind it, and it's bringing it out. So that is that, and I will get back with you all when I finish up cleaning the bathroom.